Okay, so I got a case study part B. It's the patient with the terrible triad injury, that radial head fracture, coronoid process fracture, and posterior dislocation. This video is about the therapeutic device that I'd recommend and why. Unfortunately, I did not have access to the device that I would have liked to at least put on this video demonstrating how to apply, but I guess one of the students had it, so I couldn't find it, so unfortunately this video is just going to be talking about it. But the elbow hinge brace to allow active range of motion for flexion and extension, and the prescription in terms of kind of that fit principle. This patient probably should be applying that brace throughout the course of treatment and until there's repair of those, the radial collateral ligament they repaired, I believe, is what the case study it said, but then there is a potential that they might have to repair the ulnar too if stability isn't, sustained or achieved, and if we can't achieve stability from a medial lateral standpoint with that elbow, we have to protect that somehow, create stability, and that's what that elbow hinge brace, that active range of motion elbow hinge brace would allow. It would basically essentially guard that elbow joint from translating laterally or medially, preventing valgus varus stresses, but also allow the patient to actively flex and extend and keep working on building that full range as they go through, trying to get back to 0 degrees of extension and gaining full flexion. So like I said, throughout the course of treatment, and maybe even after, until there's stability regained. So that's the one device that I think would be probably the most beneficial and the most used for this particular patient.